How to use Life360 applications for beginners. Life360 application is a popular family location sharing application designed to help families stay connected and informed about each other's whereabouts. So in order to use that, first of all, you have to download and install the application. For that, open up your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Life360 and download the application. Once you have downloaded the application, now open up the application. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply tap on sign in and log in with your credential. If you don't have an account yet, tap on get started. Now enter your mobile number. After that, tap on continue. Now add your email. Then tap on continue. Now you will receive a code in your account or in your Gmail account that you have added recently. So you have to copy the code from there and then you have to type in the code right there. Then tap on continue. Now provide your first name and your last name. Then tap on continue. Also enter your birthday. After that, tap on continue. Now you can join or create your circle. A circle is a private space only accessible by you and your family, so tap on continue. Then tap on create a new circle and now name your circle and then tap on continue. Now this is the code that you can share to invite other members to join the circle. If someone invites you, you can always enter the code they provide in the join circle section. So you can share this code with your family and then tap on I'm done sharing. Now you can select your role. If you want to add a photo, you can do that as well, or you can skip this process as well. Tap on remind me later and yes, skip this step. Then tap on continue. Then tap on OK and make sure to allow all the necessary permissions for the Life360 application. You can skip this as well and then tap on no thanks. So once you're done setting up your profile, you can explore other key features of Life360 application. You can view the real-time locations of the circle, members on the map. In order to do that, you have to tap on check in from here and then to send your exact locations to the circle. If you want to set up alerts for some specific locations like home, school or work, you will be notified when a circle arrives or leaves. And if you have a premium subscriptions, Life360 also provides driving details such as speed and other safety scores. Now in order to communicate with the circle member, tap on the chat icon at the top right, and here you can get into my inbox and here you can use or send the messages within the circle. Now if you want to customize some settings, then what you can do is tap on the settings icon at the top left. Here you can explore some of the settings regarding the notifications, circle management and your location sharing. If you go and tap on circle management, you can add or remove members. And for notifications, you can enable alerts for arrival, check-ins or emergencies. And location sharing, you can always turn it on or off yourself. And if you want to view about your account details, tap on account and this will be your account detail. There you have an option to delete account in case you want to delete your account. And if you go back again, and there are more options such as drive detection, flight detection. So if you want to turn on that as well, you can do that as well. And if you want to log out of your account, you can simply tag on log out option and then you will be logged out of your account. So in order to stay secure, you can always regularly view who is in your circle and ensure you trust all the members before sharing your locations. So in this way, you can use Life360 application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.